Are you looking to leverage LinkedIn to help build your cloud architect career? Truthfully, you should be. In this video, we will discuss the 5 most common mistakes people make with LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is really an incredible tool to help build your cloud architect career, your enterprise architect career, or truthfully, any career in general. And why are we going to use LinkedIn? LinkedIn gives us a great opportunity to build our brand. Now, our brand is not just about what's on LinkedIn. It has a lot to do with what we do every day, how we treat others, and your results. But for people that don't know you, the first place they're going to interact with you potentially is LinkedIn. And if you create the right kind of content on LinkedIn, you can build a wonderful brand. And when you have a strong brand, people will come to you pretty much every day with job opportunities. But if you have a weak brand, it's going to be very challenging to get an opportunity because no one knows who you are. So now let's talk about the 5 biggest mistakes people make when leveraging LinkedIn. The first one, honestly, is creating the wrong kind of content. When you're a cloud architect, you are not a cloud engineer. What we do is design solutions to optimize our clients' business performance. So if you're out there, you need to look like a strategy consultant. You need to be creating content that's related to business optimization or technology optimization. Not about how to code, not about how to configure. It's got to be based upon what we do and looking very relevant for the job. The next mistake I see all the time is not being able to differentiate yourself between a cloud architect and a cloud engineer. Look, these are 2 very different careers. A cloud architect is all about designing solutions to optimize our clients' business performance, and a cloud engineer is all about building these technology solutions and focusing on the technology. Now, it gets a lot worse. In some cases, I see in someone's profile, it'll say cloud architect, pipe, cloud engineer, and the headline. Now, that's basically showing I'm a little bit at 2 different careers, but I'm not really good at anything. And that may not actually be the case. It's the equivalent of an airplane pilot putting airplane pilot / flight attendant. Now, it's not going to help that airplane pilot, and I promise you it's not going to help you as a cloud architect. You need to show that you are a cloud architect in every single way. Now, the next thing is in your list of things you've done on either your resume or LinkedIn, and let's face it, LinkedIn is basically an online resume, you have to have cloud architect things, which really are the business benefits of your solutions or your designs. You can't really have a whole resume talked about implementing or building things and all the coding and all the configuring, because that's showing you're doing cloud engineering, not that you are a cloud architect. So let's talk about some of those things that really need to be there. You need to be able to show the impact, the measurable impact of your solutions. So if you created a new e-commerce website and it increased sales, how much did it increase sales? 1%, 2%, 12%? Quantify that, because the architect content is really what you've done to provide the business benefits. Let's say your design was AI-based and it improved employee productivity. If so, by how much? If your design improved the user experience, guess what? How much? So it's not about the tech. It's about the tech and what it did for the business. Now, let's talk about the content now, because this is kind of another major issue. The content of what you've done. It needs to show architecture things. So before we talked about the business benefit, but let's talk about these things. As architects, we deliver presentations. We're selling solutions. We're building business cases. We're responding to RFIs, RFPs, RFQs, etc. Under your architect jobs or your architect experience, you have to have that listed. Don't put a bunch of mumbo jumbo and acronyms related to coding or configuring technology. That's fine if you've been a cloud engineer a long time before you were an architect, but make sure you differentiate your past as an architect and your current, your past as an engineer and your current as being an architect. Now here's the next thing, and this not only can affect your profile and affect your opportunity, but if you actually get an interview, it's really going to crush you. A lot of times when I evaluate LinkedIn profiles of people that are looking for cloud architect work, They've got things that they don't know that are down on their profiles. And it's also on their resumes. And how do I know they don't know? Because they're putting things together in a manner that doesn't go together. So they're talking about saving money by something related like a framework. And these things are just unrelated. So we have to make sure that the work we do is actually consistent with the actuality of what we do as architects, and it shows you as good and strong. Here's the second reason we don't want to put things that we don't know down on either a resume or LinkedIn profile. Assuming you get an interview, what do? We hiring managers, when we interview people, we ask the person about the things on their resume. So make sure anything that's in your resume or anything that's in your LinkedIn profile is something you're good at. Go out there and create content. Show your content can optimize business performance. Show your thought leadership. Show your industry expertise. And show your architect skills. And there's going to be some amazing things that happen for you. If you're looking to get your first cloud architect job or enterprise architect job or artificial intelligence architect job, we've got free webinars and free ebooks to assist you in your career. And they're all going to be listed in the description of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos to assist you in your technology career. This is Mike Gibbs signing off for now. I hope to see you in one of our free webinars or another video. Take care.